Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Thursday morning forecast update. Pretty big weather change for us today after pushing record highs, even breaking some record highs throughout the week here. We're back to just kind of regularly scheduled January today as we'll cool into the 30s and 40s this morning. Grab a jacket today. There is going to be a breeze out there that will likely keep it cooler than the forecast 60-degree high today, so that breezy wind will be coming through about 15 miles per hour out of the northwest. So if you have outdoor plans, a lot of sun, you don't have to worry about any rain or severe storms today. And I think I speak for everyone when I say we are tired of the severe weather around here, and it looks like with the cooler air taking over for at least the next week and a half or so, it really doesn't look to be any kind of severe weather threat over the next 7 days. But we do have a couple of chances for rain, so I'll have a breakdown of that in just a moment. But you can see the rain long gone here. Did plot out some of the damage reports. You can see we had a pretty good storm here that developed south of I-20. Did have some tornado warnings on that yesterday, but all they have found there is just some tree and wind damage. Did confirm a tornado up in Waldo, Arkansas. That was an EF1 tornado there in Columbia County. So happy to say that we're not going to see any severe weather, at least in the short term, as the temperatures will definitely be cooling down today and staying cool through the weekend. So the line of severe weather this morning headed over towards Birmingham as well as Atlanta. This area of low pressure bringing some snow to the upper Midwest, and it's pulling that cool air down towards the Arklatex today, so we're tapped into some of that cooler Canadian air, and that will hold our high temperatures. Most of us will be in the 50s today. Those of you that do reach the low 60s, it will only be maybe for an hour or two this afternoon. But with that breeze out there, we'll likely feel like it's in the mid-50s for much of the afternoon. And if you are outside tonight, very cold. This will drop into the 30s, but I do have everybody staying just above freezing tonight. But if you are worried about any of those plants out there, make sure you cover those up tonight. So look at Futurecast here. It does show, again, the clouds going away today, so it is going to be a mostly sunny Thursday for us, and you can see just a few clouds returning late tonight, early tomorrow, and with those clouds coming in after midnight, that's actually going to serve as a blanket there, and with the clouds returning, that will actually be what prevents us, I think, from falling below freezing tonight. No rain Friday, so your outdoor plans good to go Friday, and most of the day Saturday. I've actually dropped the chance of rain just a smidge Saturday, but you can see some of those showers picking up likely Saturday evening into Saturday night. So if you have outdoor plans Saturday evening, there will be some rain out there, maybe steady at times, but the rain should dissipate through the night on Saturday, and expect it will be dry for most locations on Sunday. Maybe just a slight chance we could see some rain linger into the morning, but it does look like Sunday will be the much better day to be outside. So if you're planning some outdoor fun things to do this weekend, make sure you kind of push those outdoor plans towards Sunday. We'll actually keep it in the 50s and low 60s for the next week or so. Looks to be a pretty juicy cold front coming in on Tuesday. Again, with the cool temperatures, don't expect that we'll see any severe weather, but we could see a decent push of rain Tuesday. So with the rain coming in Saturday as well as next Tuesday, a lot of areas could see about 1 to 3 inches of rain over the next week or so. And it looks to stay cool for much of next week. Would expect highs for much of next week will stay in the 50s.